In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. Pinning a message in Slack is one of the easiest ways to keep important information visible and easy to find. This is especially useful for things like onboarding notes, project guidelines, meeting links, shared files, or key team updates that people may need to come back to again and again. Instead of scrolling through long conversations or searching manually, a pinned message gives everyone in that channel or conversation a quick reference point. It's also helpful to understand the difference between pins and bookmarks. Pins are best when you want to highlight a specific message or file that already exists in the chat history. Bookmarks, on the other hand, are more useful for linking to external resources that sit at the top of the channel header. So if the information is already in the conversation, pinning is usually the right choice. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Then navigate to the public channel, private channel, or direct message where the message is located. Once you find the exact message or file you want to keep accessible, move your mouse over it. When you hover over the message, a small toolbar will appear near the top right corner of that message. This toolbar gives you quick access to several actions. From there, click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. This opens a drop-down menu with additional options for that message. In that menu, select Pin to Channel. If you're inside a direct message or a private conversation, the wording may appear as pin to this conversation instead. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click the Pin button to confirm your choice. Once the message is pinned, Slack will post a small notification in the conversation so others know that the item has been pinned. If you ever want to review pinned items, Slack makes that very simple. Go to the top of the chat window and click the channel name or conversation name in the header. This opens a details panel, usually on the right-hand side. In that panel, find and click the Pinned tab. There you'll see a clean list of all pinned messages and files for that specific conversation, organized in chronological order. That's all it takes. Pinning messages is a simple feature, but it can make team communication much more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.